Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to Dr. Zahir Math, and also welcome back to our MA 203 Differential Equations course. Over the past few weeks, from week 15 onwards, I received several comments and requests from the students asking for a very clear explanation of the topic 8.1. This topic they are asking. What is this topic? Linear systems of differential equations. How to convert a differential equation. Look here, this is a differential equation. Why this is called a differential equation? Because you have a dx by dt and dy by dt, right? How to convert this differential equation in a matrix model, right? And also they were asking as a matrix, okay, as a matrix to differential equation, how to convert. So these are the two comments I repeatedly am getting in the YouTube. So many students mentioned that they understood the differential equations but became confused when matrices and vector notations were introduced, right? So what we are going to do here, how to convert a system of differential equations to matrix, right? And how to convert a matrix into differential equations, right? Setup. So back to ordinary differential equations, you can say like that. So in this video, I will explain the process step by step using simple examples. Okay, right. If you are one of the students who requested this topic and this video is for you, right? Let's begin. Right. Before that, East or West, Dr. Zahir is the best, right? So please subscribe to the channel and please hit the bell icon also, right? Then only you will get notifications when I upload a new video, right? Let us start this question. Write the following system in matrix model, right? Before going to that, I will tell you what is that. So easy way I will tell you, right? So look here dx by dt and dy by dt. So the left side you just open one matrix. Right side you look here, there is x and y. You open one matrix for this one. And then there is a plus is there is a plus is here. Even plus is there, minus is there, no problem. Always you put plus. And you just consider the remaining one as a function of t, right? As a function of what? T. So this one always you consider as a function of t. So how to write in matrix model is just open your matrix, right? Either you can use rectangular or you can use the curved one. This also allowed, right? So you can use the first one dx by dt and the next row as dy by dt. This equals, then open another matrix, okay, right. Take the coefficients of x and y, which is 3 here and minus 2 here, 5 here and 1 here. So take this 5 and take this 1 here. Then after that, open a column matrix, or matrix is the correct pronunciation, and you write x and y. So in general, you write small x and small y because we're going to call something capital X and capital Y later. So you write small x and small y. So this is the way every time you have to write a differential equation in matrix model. After that, you have functions of t over here. Sometimes it will be there, sometimes it will not be there. So this one, you just open it, again a matrix, right? And then write this function cosine t and t. Is it okay, everybody? Right. Is this a matrix, my teacher? Can I stop it here? No. If you stop here, you will lose some half mark or 1 mark. You can say like that. You need to write again a standard format. What is that? So usually we call in differential equation x dash. We call it as dx by dt, the matrix dx by dt and dy by dt. And similarly, we call as capital X as matrix, column matrix x and y, small x and small y. Okay, everybody? Right. So these notations, you try to use it over here. What is this, teacher? So for this one, dx by dt, I'm going to use it as x dash. Let me write here. So it is x, I'll write here x dash. This one, dx by dt, which is equal to, this is a number, okay? Just write it 3, minus 2, 5 and 1, close the matrix. And then write this xy as capital X. And then plus, you can write function of t or you can write the values of t also. As a function also you can write. Clear all of you? Let me write this answer again because it's so congested. X dash is equal to the number which is 3, minus 2, 5 and 1. And then x and then plus cosine t and t. Is it easy? Right. Maybe in the first batch of the video, I wrote many problems, so maybe the students got confused. But now it's so easy. So it's clear, all of you? Let's do one more question also. How to write a differential equation into matrix model, right? Now it's so simple. Let me start the solution. So open a matrix and then you write the first row as dx by dt and the second row as dy by dt, which is equal to, open another matrix, okay? What is the coefficient over here? -1 and 4, and this is 2 and -3. Forget about here plus or minus, but you always put plus. Suppose your minus also is there, no problem, put plus, and this minus sin t you take it inside, okay, right? Then open another matrix, column matrix, and this is e power t and sin t. Suppose it's minus here, you put minus here, okay? So always you put plus here, always you put plus here. It is sin t, right? Clear, right? Is it okay? Can I stop it here? No. You need to write this as capital X dash. This equals -1, 4 and 2 and -3 and then plus function of t, which is e power t and then sin t. So it's okay, everybody? So clear? Yes. This is differential equation to matrix model. Now the next question I'm going to do is matrix to differential equation. Look here. Express the given linear system using matrix notation. Who will be using this topic? Electrical students only will be using this topic. Just clear it, okay? Make it clear. So what I said, x dash, which is dx by dt and dy by dt. Clear, everybody? What I said, capital X, which is small x and small y as a column matrix. Okay, right. So let's start this question. So let me go to the solution. So what is here x dash? You write it as, this is dx by dt, right? Which is equal to, and dy by dt, which is equal to, this finished. Then you write the number. This one is what? X and y. Just multiply 4x minus y. And this is 2x plus 3y. And then plus function of t cosine t and function of t, which is 2 e power t. Clear, all of you? So easy, right? Yes. How did you get this, teacher? You studied matrix multiplication in 002. First row, first column. First row, second column, like that. So first row, first column. Second row, first column. That is the idea. How this, teacher? Let me show you here. This here 4 minus 1, 2, 3. And then this is xy. First row, first column. So 4x minus y. Second row, first column, which is 2x plus 3y. Clear, all of you? Right. Let's go to the next one. So now you can write quickly, okay? Come on, start. What is x dash? Dx by dt. What is that? Dy by dt, right? First row, first column. What is your capital X? Which is x and y column matrix, okay? So 0x plus 5y. Clear? Right? Do I need to write 0x, teacher? No need, but still I'm going by the procedure. And then here it is minus 4x plus 2y. What is the first function in the first equation? T square. What is the function here? E power minus t. It's very clear, everybody? Very clear or not? Yes. So I hope this video helped you understand topic 8.1 more clearly. Thank you to all the students who left comments and requested a detailed explanation of matrix to differential equation to matrix notations. Your feedback helps me decide which revision videos to prepare next. If you have any questions from MA 203, leave them in the comment section. I read all the comments and try to create videos based upon my time, okay? Based on your requests also. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more MA 203 revision videos, right? See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Zahir. East or West, Dr. Zahir, math is the best. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.